Leonardo's cigarette hatch. Visitors to Rome, a city known for its rich history and culture, find their first encounter with Italian art, not in a gallery or an ancient room, but upon touching down at the Leonardo da Vinci airport. Here, a huge 60 feet tall bronze statue of Leonardo da Vinci, crafted by Bulgarian artist Asen POF, welcomed travelers. POF, after winning a competition, was honored to have his work installed at the airport in 1960 and wanted to symbolize Italy's rich heritage and innovative spirit. The statue has stood as a guardian throughout the years, witnessing the comings and goings of countless travelers amazingly. Though it wasn't until 2006, during necessary renovations, that the fascinating secret was uncovered, nestled about 30 feet or 10 meters high within the statue. A small hatch revealed to historic parchments the first detail the ancient history of the airport site, tracing its significance back to times when Rome was at the center of a vast empire. This document offered a unique glimpse into the layers of history beneath the modern hustle and bustle of air travel. The second parchment served as a time capsule from the statue's unveiling, listing notable attendees including the sculptor POF, the president of the Italian Iron Republic, the future influential Italian politicians. The mystery of who placed the parchment there adds an intriguing layer of the statue. The future influential Italian politicians, the mystery of who placed the parchments there adds an intriguing layer to the statue's history. Was it POF himself, leaving a hidden signature behind his sculpture masterpiece, or someone else present at the unveiling? Either way, it encourages speculation and curiosity. An onlooker begins to view the statue not just as a piece of art, but as a holder of secret. As travelers rush through the airport, few may realize the historical and artistic significance of the statue that greets them. Yet for those in the know, it represents a fascinating intersection of art, history, and mystery. Next time you find yourself at the airport, take a moment to look up at the towering figure of Da Vinci and consider the hands that crafted it, the historical figure who witnessed its unveiling, and the secret it kept hidden for decades.